thing for me to eat. And now let's find a place to sit and eat. This is the local way of eating. Oh, they only have this one. Maybe I will try some. I feel like I have put a lot of. I bought a lot of this. Mm. Wow. Oh, it's a lot. Oh my goodness, I ate a lot. Oof. And it's still, I have a lot of food to eat. What to do? So sometimes it's really hard to think what to eat. But that khao tom, the soup was good. And also these are very good too. But I have no, I can't eat right now. So now we are going back to a hotel because the bike shop will just open around 10 o'clock. So I will come back and rent a bike there. And then today, let's see where. I need to find out where to go. I will not go to the water today because I'm still not feeling well. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Let's see. We still have time and we still have places where I can play water. So today, let's see where we can go in Koh Samui. And Thai massage. It's getting expensive. I feel like Pad Thai is cheaper. And Bangkok is okay, but here more expensive. Where is our hotel? So getting busier, but at night it's more busier than this. Oh my goodness. And another thing is that nobody thinks that I'm a foreigner. They just think that I'm a Thai guy from another part of Thailand. That's a good thing for me. At the same time, bad thing. Because it's funny sometimes. And some of them were asking that which part of Thailand I'm from, which was really funny. Okay, let's find another one. Where to find? Let's find. Okay, guys, finally. We booked our program for today. Hello. So, I tried to get a bike, but I couldn't get any because everywhere all the bikes were booked everywhere nearby. So I thought I would try something else. Yeah. So today we are trying many things. So it's sunset snorkeling trip. Let's see what we get to experience. I was thinking to do it in OPP, but I will do earlier today, and maybe and again I will try in Phuket if there is something else similar to this. I'm feeling not so good, but I'm gonna try that. Let's wait, guys. 1 more hour to go.
ที่ไปรับเนี่ยประมาณ10 คนครับ
Okay, ครับ
แต่ว่าพอไปถึงโลกมันก็ประมาณสัก50-60 คนได้
90 คนได้เหรอ
ได้ครับ
พี่ไปด้วยไหม ไม่ไปเหรอ
ครับ
อ๋อ ที่นี่รับคนใช่ไหม
ครับ
โอเค
โอเคเชิญเลยครับ
ที่นี่ได้ใช่ไหม
ครับ
นั่งที่นี่เลย โอเค guys ร้อนจังเลย so hot มีชื่อไหม and we are waiting here by the people, and this is the sea we are going to explore, guys. Wow. Wow, it's, I don't know how can I explain this. But it's amazing, the color of the water, you can see. Wow. Hope we can see a lot of fish. I think we are going to that island, and we are with the few groups there. I feel like I don't need to bring my GoPro. GoPro is ready too, but if the phone will work with this cover.
On the island in front of you. Just 5 minutes from there. You lose nothing from the boat. Actually over there, they're gonna have below. Maybe.
ครับ
After move go to Big Island. Island go to Tag Island 7 minutes. Island go to Big Island 7 minutes. Okay? Mình áo không riêu rồi. Hả? Tao một cành trai. Phi mang gặp con đây Phi. Ê, con tắm nát mặt không? Hả?
Adieu. What? Yeah? Oh, oh. Yeah? Like smoking on the same boat?
If we have to 7 meters, after turn right on the mountain, 200 meters, to be going high.
We are at Big Island and I wanna play kayaking. Let's try. Oh, so nice. Woohoo! Oh, it's a great experience, guys. Enjoying the view. Woo! And people are enjoying too. We are waiting for the sunset.
What's your name?
Kapil.
Kapil.
Kapil, yeah.
Kapil. Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Oh, the best experience I have ever had in sea. Wow. Ooh. Okay guys, enjoying the sunset from the middle of the sea. As you can see, wow, sun is setting and I'm on the kayaking having Fanta. Wow, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day, guys. Yeah, really worth it. Woo. So nice.
No.
Photo. Okay guys, it's getting colder. I think I should get back there. So let's go back, guys. It's getting colder.
Hey, stay.
We had a very good time. Now let's go back. Oh my goodness, Salona Peak. Oh. 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 What's volcano? What? Oh my god. That's not. I'm not mouse over presenting. You want me to do a picture? It's okay.
Like another.
Okay, guys, let's eat dinner.
Nói tới hả?
Okay, guys, enjoying the food and enjoy the sunset. So beautiful. Wow. I had an unforgettable experience today and still enjoying the food with the atmosphere here. And we'll see you in next video. Until then, bye bye guys. Enjoy that. Until then, bye bye guys. See you again.